Hi friends, this is Fiona from Fiona Accessories, and today I have a new product I want to showcasing. There's two items that's in the space series. So this is our planet Diggy Kit that spatially only for the planet. So inside here is a little boxes here. It has all the things that you needed. So let me go ahead and show you. And in this counter display, it has 12 pieces inside here. And then when you open it up, the boxes, you will have this and this. And then inside here should be the acrylic gems. And then I will post it what's inside here after I open it up. So you have this thing that you tick, 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 and then the brushes. Kids really like to play this one. And then this is price friendly items in here. It will be a very fast selling items for your museum institution. So that's one of the items in here for the 2025. And then the other new items that I got is the outer space bouncing ball. This is a lot of fun. I cannot stop playing with this thing. I play a lot with my son when I receive this sample, and it's 12 pieces in here. And you can, when we ship it to you, it's closed like this. So when you receive it, then you can just go ahead and open it up. So I have one open it up, and there's should be about 3 different designs in here. Like this, and then you can put your pricing in here, and then it's very easy for the cash register to check it out. And then this is the one that I open it up, so lots of different space related items in here, and it's very bouncy, so you can see like that. And we have a lot of fun playing this bouncing balls already. So 2 new items for this year, and the third new item is also on the counter display like this, and it's a notepad. And then inside your counter display, you have about 10 different patterns. This is a notepad, and this is the 3D design. Don't know if you can really see it. It's all the space related items. Let me go ahead and open it up, like this. Outer space thing. The images are really cool. And then astronaut in here like this, and it's 3D, so you can kind of see the differences in here. And then the astronaut, very cool image. And then it's about my palm size here, small notepad, great for the impulse buying. And then you can see inside here some of the pages that the kids, they can write it, or for yourself you can write important stuff in here. And when you are done, then at least you can keep the first pages in here. So these are really cool designs. So 10 different designs, and then it comes in the unique pack like this. So 80 pieces inside there. So all the information will be posted at the end of this video then. Thank you so much, friend. And then all this will be available in January, and then it will be available in our own site, fairs.com then. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.